Ever wonder why resolutions almost always start strong, fade out by February? I know, I've been there, setting goals with all the excitement in the world, only to feel that motivation slip away. But what if I told you it's not about more willpower? Here's the secret. Resolutions were never about becoming someone new. They're about releasing the things that have been holding you back. You already have everything you need. This year, we're not chasing change. You're stepping into who you were meant to be. Now let me break this down for you. The word resolution comes from the Latin resolutus. It literally means to loosen or release. Think about that for a moment. It's not about stacking on more goals. It's about letting go of the fear, doubt, and the weight you've been carrying for too long. When we understand that, everything shifts. So here's your challenge. This year, don't just write goals. Write what you're ready to release. Doubt, gone. Fear, let it go. And when you do, walk forward like you own it. Because you do. I know this isn't easy, but I also know you're capable of more than you realize. And if you ever forget that, I'll be right here to remind you. You and me, we're in this together.